Alright, good afternoon everybody. If you're here for the content, like and subscribe, all that happy good shit. And it's likely I might be training my replacement. And before you start thinking this is a doom and gloom video, okay, this video, I have a new job lined up. Right now I'm also just checking out Gigland. Gigland, that's how I like to call it. So anyhow, back to the topic. Normally, generally when it comes to training your replacement, you're basically about to get shit canned. That could be true here, but like I said, I have a new job lined up. Knock on wood that nothing goes wrong. And I've said this in some of my other videos. If I haven't, I'm going to say it now. When I work for any company, my current one, I wasn't getting any of that satisfaction. I wasn't getting what I was seeking, if that makes any sense. And maybe it kind of got lackluster. Like if you see my I got in trouble at work video, maybe I got a little lackluster for my own good, but anyhow, that's that. So I'm still earning a paycheck, and I'm still doing deliveries on the side. But the kicker is with this. Well, I shouldn't say kicker, but it's a little more money, and it's full time with benefits. You can't beat that. With 2 fucking miles. Like I said in my other video, I might not have to do another one of these fucking gigs again. I mean, it's not the income level that I was making when I first moved on here, but if it means I don't have to fucking go out and chase Benjamin, fucking take more time for myself to focus on the finer things in life and all that shit. That's money. But because it's only 2 miles from where I live, that's money off the back end that I'm saving in gas that I don't have to use to drive to work and then try to use a gig as a baseline to get to here. So I'm gonna see what happens. Again, you gotta keep your options open. It doesn't matter whether you're a gig worker and do this full time, heck, whether you're a YouTuber or a TikTok or an influencer of some sorts. Can I get this for free for exposure? You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You have to fucking it's a kind of situation. One, I have rent to pay, I have a car note to pay for this very same vehicle I'm sitting in. My track is on the bottom of the barrel because that's just a project car. So I'm not worried about that. I just got to pay the storage unit every month to keep it there. But with a car note, gas, auto insurance, etc., 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 it's like I have to find ways to adapt to get that extra money. And in a way, to have this technology to be able to do that. Such as with gig apps. I tried to do it the old school way, when my current job was seasonal and they brought me down to 3 days, just to work 2 extra days to fill in that gap. I applied at Walmart, fucking Target, you name it, I applied. And, obviously, because it doesn't meet their needs, they don't want to fucking look at me. They probably want somebody who can work weekends. Hello, my current job has to be working weekends. So, anyhow, it's just a little update. I mean, I got knocked down, and now I'm getting back up. So I'm going to throw a little politics into this. If President Trump is trying to teach us a lesson, like how to get yourselves back up, then maybe we should fucking heed his advice and get ourselves back up. I don't think that's the case, but I'm just going to throw that out there as hyperbole. I mean, we all know it's a fucking shit show, so we're going to leave that alone. That's a whole nother video in of itself. So we need to be like good little capitalists and adapt. So channels, they both talk about different stuff. One's mostly political, one's mostly about men issues, although the former also has a political channel. The gig channels, Pedro Santiago, right along with Bree, Dasher Phil, and whatever other ones I can't think of. And then I have my Geo Tracker channels, Suzuki Sidekick channels that I watch, like Highway 83 Suzuki. Right now, because I want to do the work myself on this vehicle. 22 stops. Alright, that's a bit much for me. 27. I mean, that one actually pays fucking well. If I didn't work my regular job today, 22 stops, 12 items, 27 pounds total, 27 miles. We're totally in DC. Tell us why. It won't let me fucking tell you why. Alright, well, from this information, how can there be 22 stops with 12 items? Anyhow, over and out. I'll talk to you.